match in 3, 2, 1. Immediately, Mr. Roboto grabs a ton of cubes and knocks off the red for a 5-point bonus. Mr. Roboto lining up and dispensing a ton of green cubes up to that goal number 3. Boss getting some green cubes into their collection system. Boss is getting ready to line up and score some greens into the goal. At 35 seconds, you can now switch drivers. Mr. Roboto is lining up to score as many of those greens as they can for this second goal. Boss getting a ton of green cubes into that first goal and knocking off some red cubes off the post for 5 points each. With 15 seconds left in the match, Mr. Roboto is trying to score as many more greens as they can. 10 seconds left. Both teams may go for a park. It looks like Boss is going for the park, and I think they got it. So is Mr. Roboto. For qualification match number 34, we have 50802A. The mechanical stakes 3-1.